Welcome back to the channel. My name's Wes, and we are doing a 2K to 10K challenge on Moomoo. So far, we are doing absolutely amazing. I did close one trade today. So the trade I closed was the meta trade. If we take a look at the Google Sheet here, we closed it for a $150 gain. I know it's early, but there was only less than $30 left to make on that trade. So that was a put credit spread, 670 to 680, and we closed that for a $150 gain. To show you my account, the account that we started with $2,000 is now $2,203.97. I'm pretty proud of that. That's 10% up in less than a week. That's what, 4 days or whatever, we're up 10%. I know the market's up pretty well, but this is a very small account, a $2,000 account, and to be up $200 in that amount of time, I'm very proud of so far. If you want to follow these trades, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. That's all I ask from you. I'm doing these trades for free, and I'm showing these for free. If you want to get these trades live, there's a way that you can do that. If you sign up for a Moomoo account, in the description of this video, there'll be a sign up. If you sign up and you deposit $2,000 into Moomoo and you email me proof that you did that, I will email you these trades live right when I do the trades. Okay, I'll leave that in the description, the email in the description, as well as the link for Moomoo. Now let's get back into what we have going on now. So the trades we have left currently are the Amazon trade and an AMD trade, and we have the ULTY shares, which we're kind of DCAing into. We're just going to kind of add ULTY shares as we go. If we look at the Amazon price today, it was up, it's at $222. We just have to stay above $212.50. If we get a little bit higher, I might close that trade out too. Just so we have more money in the account. We want to grow this. We want to take profits when we can. We don't want to get into a spot where we can risk losing profits. So we have a small account, so we're going to take our gains as we get them. So that's why I went ahead and took the meta gains today. It's not worth a chance of having a really bad red day and losing those gains. So the AMD trade is 124. Let's take a look at where AMD is today. It should be the top. There we go. Here's AMD. 124 is down here. We're right at 138. $138.35. My slogan for this challenge is buy the dips, sell the rips, cash out quick, and never let our profits slip. You love that, don't you? I love that slogan. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're going to definitely take this account to $10,000 plus. Okay, what is next, you might ask? Okay, so we're going to take a look at the account here. So now we currently have $1,215.65 in available funds. I'm planning on buying a little bit more ULTY, and that is because it has been super steady, and I don't see it. I think it's going to continue this way and stay in this range. It's been very popular on social media. I think eventually it's going to break up out of this range. For now, we're going to look for it to come down around maybe between 615 to 620. If it goes a little lower, even better. They just announced another distribution. Let's take a look at that. Okay, here are the distributions for the Yield Max ETFs that were announced. ULTY is down here. Weekly distribution is 80.35%. The ex-dividend date, you have to hold the stock by, or the ETF by 7/10, which is tomorrow, and the payment date will be 7/11, which is Friday. So yeah, the distribution is weekly for ULTY, and it's almost 10 cents per share. In the future, when our account grows a little bit, I might look into adding another one of these ETFs. I'm not sure which one at this point. CHPY is a pretty good one. That one follows the semiconductors. Well, trades possibly on my radar going into the rest of this week and the next week is possibly a trade with the QQQ. We could look at a put credit spread around 540 to 536. That's definitely a possibility. We'll see if it goes through this resistance. The resistance is right at about 556 to 557. I think what's going to probably happen is it's probably going to reject off of this and come down, and that would be a good spot to get into a credit spread for one of these lower prices, lower, safer. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to do the safest trades possible with the most premium possible. We want to get into safe trades. So that was one I was taking a look at. Also, the SOXL, I was looking for it to come down around possibly $26 or so. My chart's showing that it might reject off of this resistance here, and if it comes down to around $26, then we can get in to a credit spread around $24.50 to $25. That would be a good entry. And one of the other ones I was looking at was Adobe, possibly. Adobe got hammered today. I'm not sure what the news is. I'll try to take a look and see. I haven't had a chance yet, but it's right at the bottom, right at support here. So if we could get a credit spread around 360, I'm gonna have to take a look at that. It's showing that it possibly go up. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. Yeah, that's right at support too. So if it bounces up here and kind of stays above this support, I'm possibly going to take something around 360. I will definitely keep you updated. Let's see, there was one other I was looking at here. Oh yeah, getting back into Meta. Since we're if Meta comes back down here, like where my indicator's showing right around 726 to 725. Then I would get back in maybe 690 to 700 put credit spread with selling the put at 690. 700 would be a little risky. 690 would be my preference on that. Okay, one quick thing I wanted to show you. I went ahead and I downloaded all the holdings for ULTY because I want to see what I'm investing in. And there's a spreadsheet here, and it shows the different companies like AMD, Apple, Applied Optoelectronics Incorporated. That's a company I'm going to have to look into. I don't really know that one too well. What's this? We got ASTS. That one I've heard of. That's Space Mobile Incorporated. Let's see, Coinbase, Robinhood, IonQ. I did a video on that one. Mara, MSTR. So it's on Palantir. There's a bunch of Palantirs. Reddit. So it's interesting to see what they're investing in, and it fluctuates because they're doing covered calls on these as well. So it shows you how many shares of these companies they have. Like Apple, it's 125,500 shares. Yeah, some of these companies they got a ton. Like Coinbase, 108,600 shares. It shows exactly how much they have, and they update it pretty much. I think it says daily as of 7/9. Yeah, it's as of today. So you can download all their holdings and see what they hold. I thought that was super interesting. Great day today. We closed that Meta trade out for a $150 gainer. Remember, buy the dips, sell the rips, cash out quick, and never let our profits slip. Let's go. I'll give you a update tomorrow morning. Everybody, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. We're going to go to 10,000 pretty quick. Have a great day.